How to treat a dog with sleep apnea naturally. If you're worried about your dog's sleep and think they might have sleep apnea, you're right to want to help them feel better. Let's explore some natural and effective ways to treat sleep apnea in dogs. First, it's important to understand that sleep apnea in dogs is often caused by physical obstructions in the airway, which can be due to obesity, allergies, or the dog's facial structure. So, one of the most effective natural treatments is maintaining a healthy weight. Work with your vet to create a balanced diet and exercise plan. Regular walks, playtime, and portion control can make a big difference. For example, a pug that lost 15% of its body weight saw a significant reduction in sleep apnea symptoms. Similarly, a Labrador Retriever that lost 20% of its body weight through a vet-supervised diet and daily exercise also showed improved sleep apnea symptoms. Another crucial step is avoiding allergens. Allergies can inflame the nasal passages and worsen sleep apnea. Common allergens include pollen, dust, and certain food ingredients. If you suspect your dog has allergies, consult your vet for an allergy test or a hypoallergenic diet. Keeping your home clean, especially reducing household dust, can also help. Creating a comfortable sleep environment is key. Ensure your dog sleeps in a cool, quiet place. Dogs with sleep apnea often struggle in warm environments, so using fans or air conditioning can help. A quiet space can also help your dog sleep more soundly. Provide a supportive and comfortable bed to help your dog rest better. Monitoring your dog's sleep patterns is also important. Note any changes or signs of sleep apnea, such as pauses in breathing or loud snoring. This information can help your vet adjust treatment plans as needed. While medications and surgery might be necessary in some cases, these natural lifestyle changes can significantly improve your dog's sleep quality and reduce sleep apnea episodes. By focusing on diet, exercise, avoiding allergens, and creating a comfortable sleep environment, you can help your dog manage sleep apnea naturally and improve their overall quality of life.